Hi, my name's Andrew and today I'm here to show you how to perform a perfect DuoPex gas join. First thing, we need to make sure we have the right equipment. PPE, either a ratchet pipe cutter or multi-layer tube cutter, pipe, Deburr calibrator tool, fittings, appropriate Duopex jaw, and either approved tools being the Rothenberger Compact Twin Turbo or Romax 4000 tool. Our first step is to cut the pipe straight. Using one of these tools, make sure that it is a nice 90-degree cut. Once we've cut our pipe, the next step is to deburr and calibrate the pipe. This will perform two functions. It will take away any sharp burrs caused by the inner aluminium layer and also re-round out the pipe. Once that's been done, it's now time to insert the pipe into the fitting. Push it all the way home until the pipe is visible through the witness hole of the fitting. The next step is to select our Duopex jaws. Today we're using the 26mm jaws on the Compact Twin Turbo. Insert the jaws into the tool, squeeze the jaws open and place the fitting on the groove inside the jaw housing. Once we do that, press and hold and the tool will complete its own cycle. Squeeze the jaws to release the fitting and there you have it, a perfectly executed Duopex gas join.